Good morning friends. Today I am going to speak on inverting current to voltage transducer. This circuit can be used for current to voltage parameter transformation. In this circuit we know that inverting voltage amplifier is based on PP negative feedback with an extra input resistor used to turn the input voltage into a current. Without the resistor, the input is at virtual ground, thus setting impedance to 0. This is ideal for sensing current. This input current will pass through RF, the resistor which will be connected in the feedback circuit, and produce an output voltage as outlined above. The characteristic of transforming a current to a voltage is measured by parameter trans resistance. So by definition, the trans resistance of this circuit is the value of RF. So we know that to find V out, multiply the input current by trans resistance. So we know that V out equal to minus I in into RF. So this forms the basic of the circuit. Now in the following, let's see the circuit. This is the circuit, which is a basic parallel amplifier which acts as a current to voltage circuit transformation. Parameters are transformed of current to voltage as we have seen earlier from the equation V out equal to minus I in RF. So at first glance, the circuit application of the topology presented in the prior example seem very limited. So in reality, there are number of linear integrated circuits that produce the output in current form. In many cases, this signal must be turned into voltage in order to properly interface with other circuit elements. The current to voltage transducer is widely used for this purpose. With this, we complete the application of current to voltage circuit transformation. Thank you.